name's Maria and I'm from Sky Art Virtual Studios. Today I'm going to show you how to make a diorama. What you will need: 3 paper plates, tissue paper, marker, scissors, and a Ziplock bag. Okay? And you might need some construction paper, any color you wish. Okay? And this, and the glue, which is purple so you can see. It doesn't matter. Glue sticks are glue sticks, and I have a clear one. Either one that you wish to use, you're welcome to. Okay, let's get started. One of these are going to be my background. So I want to turn around, and I want to put the glue on the paper, because I want to do my background. So I'm going to do the scene of under the sea. So you take the paper, tissue paper, and you make little waves. And I have a few different colors here. So I want to crumble it, because it's water. So I want to tap it on there. I think I want to just stop right there because I want to put some sand down there. So what my sand is going to be brown paper. So I just want to make it rugged because under the sea it's never straight. Cut, wrinkle. I want to open it, put a little bit more glue here on the edge. And I want to put it right like that. This extra, I will cut off. The background. I want to cut this off because I'm going to show you again something else. So here we have it. Now I want to turn around and take some construction paper. This is when you use your great imagination. You can use any color you wish. So I'm going to I'll make a green fish and a purple fish. So you cut a little bit off on the side. Or it could be used for any kind of animal, South American animals, any earthy stuff, ants if you wish. And here I go. I'm going to turn around and make a fish. I like to do 2. So here I go. Just the gill, the tail, the fin, and the face. If you want to do sharks, you're welcome to do sharks also. Or the killer whale, or where your great imagination will take you. So, before I cut this out, I want to cut this much because I can use this, and I'm going to show you how. Cutting it out, kind of looks like a baby shark, but that's okay. I'm cutting 2 at one time because that's how I like to work. I'll make his body a little fatter. You can color this later on if you wish, and put more detail in here. Because like this one, I made gills and a mouth and the eye. It's up to your imagination. If you wanted to, you could also put extra different colors of construction paper in here. It's your great imagination will do whatever you wish. Before I glue this, because I want it to pop out, I don't want it flat. So with this, I turn around and take this piece and I fold it like an accordion. Just like that. On the bottom one, I want to put glue. I want to put it up here in the water, holding it with my finger, and it's popping out a little. See, it's popping out. Hold it down. Now I want to put glue on this top one. And I want to put my fish on there. My fish, here he is. And I want to put my fish right on that. So he will be popping out. See that? Popping out. Can you catch that? So I want to do the other one. And so after we glue our fish down, you could either cut or you can draw with a marker seaweed. You could do it any way you wish and just draw on here. However you want to put a little crab in there, you could put a crab or any other animal that you want. So now I want to go to the next step. How to make the glass. You take your second plate, you fold it a little, take the scissors, and you cut in here, like this, in the middle to start. Open it up. Thank you. And you start cutting around the line that's on there. You want to cut the center out. Now, I'm going to turn the plate over this way. Take my paper bag. Cut this off, the top off. Open the bag. You might ask Mom to help you, but if you can do it, that'll be fine. We're not going to use this side. We're going to use the clear plastic. You're going to open it and cut. Cut here. And cut it all on the edge, because it's going to fit right here. So I'm going to cut this piece off, just on the edge. If you need Mom or Dad to help you, please get them to help you. I am looking for this, the clear plastic. I'm going to take my glue. I'm using purple so you can see where you're going to use glue. And you're going to put it around here. We're going to put the plastic over and tap it. Just rub it flat. Anything extra we can cut off. Once you have it like this, you turn around and put glue all around here on the edge. Then you take the top plate and then you just stick it on like this. And there you have it. You could decorate the outside like this, and as an idea for spring, you could do spring flowers and put this on the top and have different flowers on the outside. And there you have it, dioramas made from things at home.